Hello everyone to coding Livewire Volt tutorial and having 40 degrees of fever at the same time. Hope you enjoy. So in this nice tutorial we'll go through how to log our temperature. So first we have to find out where this component is located. To find where the component is located, you have to first find out where the view is located. The view in Livewire is usually under Resources, Views, Livewire, and we're looking for this. I know that this one will be in here, and this is our home. So you see all of those buttons are here. So now we have to create a new Volt component, which is pretty dynamic because we don't need to, actually we have to create another route because I want this to open as a new page. This is not the Livewire way, but this is my way. So what I do, just gonna make sure I didn't create it earlier. No. Okay. So now I'm just changing the name. No, Fox. It's only for educational purposes only. No commercial values or anything. So remember that. PHP let's make this bigger, because why not? Yeah, and yes, we're working on this thing. I hope I showed that before. PHP artisan Livewire make log temp log temp. So we have our controller, which is kind of a little bit different, and our view. Now what we have to do, we have to open our view. So let's do it. So first we have to go there and create a route so we can access it. This doesn't have to be editable or route, but that doesn't really matter with Livewire. And why that doesn't really matter, because yeah, this is completely different genre. There's no get, post, put, just freaking views, because it's supposed to be front end. Nice, but yeah. So you see, we're kind of having a temperature, yeah. So first I will copy this thing, will paste it. I will change this name to temperature, and I say I want to create the temperature, because why freaking no. And temperature create. Here we have to say where our log is, and our log should be in here. Which is in the wrong folder. Why is it in the wrong folder? For fuck's sake. Hope this will not break anything. Hope. Probably it will. more likely. Okay, this is there. Now we're gonna go to web, and then you see we're looking for held incident, so we view Livewire held incident, and we actually are looking for held incident long temp. Yeah, my naming is so nice, professional. So temperature .3, and now if everything works, if probably will not, but live, we go to nope. Let's try to hit that road at least and see if that will change anything. Okay, this ID for this time. Where the F is log temperature. What the? Yay. Okay. Okay, nice. So now there is one thing we have to do. We have to go to our edit. Probably just copy all of this stuff. Go to here, select everything, paste it, change that to temperature for ID, adding temperature for ID. This will give us an error now, and this doesn't exist here. Okay. Perfecto. So now we have to get this stuff, because we have to reference that to our temperature log. And to do that, it's pretty simple. We are going to web. Going to web. We're going to create, and just in front, let's just throw ID. Yep. ID has been thrown, and now we have to pass this argument, and we'll have access to this argument. That's really it. Couldn't be simple. Yes. So why do I need to do anything else? I have to create this component. Yeah, Yes, this component does not exist. Yeah, but first let's see if we're passing the temperature. Of course. Okay, I didn't kinda. I forgot that I'm showing stuff on left and I'm working on right, so yes. So just to quick showcase, when you press enter, well, let's fix that. Okay, no, Jesus Christ. Yes, why it's missing ID? Yes, because we're requesting ID, we're not passing an ID. And to pass an ID, we have to find a way where we're calling this stuff. We're calling this stuff inside our home. We're passing create, but we want our ID, and that should be all. Yay. Okay, and now we can display this ID and show you that tree. The problem with this is we can't pass an object. When we pass an object, I at least have trouble, so yeah. So you click on that, you find out the source of this, yeah. Then you find the source of this, temperature.create, ID create, held incident long temp, name temperature create. Yes, click on that, and then let's open the ID and see. Oh, I see. We have ID here, so we have ID for incident ID and ID. Incident. My English is so. Adding temperature for incident ID. Perfect. So now we created another view that redirects us to this, and we have an access to ID that we need. Also, we're gonna use user ID to get user. Yeah, because our table structure was designed so whenever we have our temperature, we're logging health incident ID, temperature, and to each temperature we have notes as well, just for the precaution. And this is so freaking simple if Livewire to like fill this in. If you want to compare that to normal using controllers and setting everything up, it will take a bit longer. We're right now in 30 minutes time, and it might be done faster, just my brain is not thinking too good now. And the camera is also, the camera is also bad, so okay. So now let's make the huge thing, which is logging the temperature. What we have to do, we have to have Volt component and our Volt component adds something completely different. I hope I forgot the command, but I create one of the components before. Let's just see. Let's see, where the hell is Volt component? No. Oh, come on, I didn't create a Volt component. For fuck's sake. Okay, so if you forgot how to create or do something, you just open a new website. You say Volt component Livewire, and just click on it, and there we have it. properties on make Volt. Okay, perfect. So we want to create component inside of Livewire held incident. So okay, dash class, it's a trick that we'll have our class in our view file, and you will see it in a second. You just need to go through, copy the name of this thing. Okay, copy the name of this thing. And we also have to create I think another thing which will be so temperature. So right now we'll just say temperature, yeah, and we want to use okay. Now we have create. So now let's display this thing here. To display this thing here, I will do a trick. You have to remember to do that, and I always forget. You just have to go to any other layout and use existing layout, you see. So you have to use this and use layouts. So I'm gonna just copy this, go here, paste it here, and also go here. Come on, paste it here. Okay, and that should work. So now we should be able to public function integer, and we want to get an ID. And we want that ID to be 0 by default. Okay. You see, that's how you code when you have temp. Okay, so now if we will pass a correct ID, we should see something else than 0. Okay. Like this. So let's go here, 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 here. Oh, Copilot is so good. My student account, it's still for 1 year, which is so yes. Okay, and that's really it. We passed an ID to a component. So now where to yes. Okay. Doesn't like it. Doesn't like it because something like that doesn't exist. We're inside temperature and create. So you see, Copilot is fucking bad. And now magic. Okay, now I have access to that. So now we have to act. We have to find out what user is assigned to this. because someone else can add temperature and might be future functionality, so let's not discuss that. Let's just go. Yes, let's just find out what user is here, what the user has, like who's the owner of ID 11. Yeah, even if you authenticated, you're supposed to only edit your stuff, but you know, maybe different way. This is just let's do it this way. Yeah. So this is kind of pretty simple. We need to open this. We need to find out for fuck's sake. What? How is that not existing, the fuck? Oh, no, much better. So now, yes. So now when we're opening, we are mounting the health incident on, and now we're supposed to be able to display that incident, and we are able to display that incident. Okay, so in here you can see there's user ID too. So now what we have to do, just have to make sure that whenever we log temp, we always use the same user ID as our held incident. So we're gonna log this value, and you can see, oh for fuck's sake. Okay. User owner of the held incident. Oh, this copilot. Owner of the held incident, this incident user ID. Okay. And now this should give us an action to till display 1. Perfecto. So now we can do the magic. So what we have to do, we have to add the freaking temp. To add the freaking temp, we have to make sure all of those fields are assignable. If you want to do my way, there is other way where you create the class and you save the class, but different one. So let's just go to temp, and you see there is nothing here. So I'm gonna go copy this, go there, paste this, and change the fields to proper fields, which are ID. Alt incident ID, temperature, notes, and yeah, we don't want anything else. Yeah, and we also have to say that temperature. Yeah, we could this belongs to, yeah, exactly. I prefer has1, so let's use it for belongs to has1 option has1. Let's import class and also public function user has1. Okay. Yeah. So now we actually use the operational model. So if we are in here, we don't have to do this. We can delete that. You see, that's code saving. We can just say our oh, for fuck's sake, reality incident, and we want to say user. I want to say ID. Okay. Okay. Column not found. User halt inside. Column not found. The fuck? Public int find. But we have that, yeah. Yes, we have that. So what, you can't find the user? has1. Now what if we'll just leave that as belongs to? Will this work? Belongs to. Okay. Never mind, it's working, so not gonna protest here. So in here we just say user, and I knew. Yeah. Nice. So now we can continue forward, which is logging the temperature. Okay. So I have this, and this. Okay. So here let's just say that we have our div, and we have our, well, let's say like this. And we actually want to have it as a number. Value 36.6. Nope. Placeholder label. So for that, what we have, we have this, so this, and now it's ready. So type text, temperature, description if needed. Okay. And we want to doesn't work. Okay, perfect. Flex. I don't remember what's the crap, because it doesn't have to be flex, but those have to be wrapped in their divs respectfully. And this is kind of jack stuff. Okay. Okay, so now I should be able to yes. Okay, incident. So we're missing one more thing, which is our create button. So this is our create button. Come on. Okay. So now we have to add function save. How I love Copilot. Yeah. Okay, let's see how bad is that. That's really bad. So we have incident as a title. Nope, but we have notes. And we have temperature. Don't know if that's be like this. And right now we're not gonna redirect, I'm gonna choose Tump and IR. Okay, so this is validated. Okay, so yes, I want that. Yes, I want that. The fuck. Yes. Okay, actually. So this should be our two strings. There's no fucking titles, there are just notes. So notes. No, this is actually is. And those are notes. Temp description. Temp notes. Okay. Okay. Okay, and our validation doesn't work, which means something's wrong. X button, wire click, save. Notes, temperature. Validation works. And this one works, but our database doesn't getting any records, which means we're doing something wrong. What we're doing wrong is this. So we're missing one important part. Call the incident ID. this incident ID, user ID, user ID, incident title, description. No. Let's see. Okay. Fuck. Temps. I'm so dumb. Because we should create an temp model. You see, that's how you not code. You're not supposed to code when you're sick. Much better. Getting error at least. Let's cast it to int just in case. I know. Let's cast it to int and say that let's try now. Okay, that looks good. Do we have it? Yes. Okay. ID, held ID, temperature, notes. Let's go again. Okay. So this is perfect and not perfect because we're not seeing anything. So what we will do, we will use a flashing message. And this. So here we can just say $ID. This is an ID. Yeah, that should work. Let's see. Really? Never mind. Ah, yes. Okay. Another thing, we have to go to our home and make sure that we can flash the message. So, see that small back button, which where the fuck is it? No, the back button here. So we need to access this component on top. So this view is home. So this is it in theory. Okay, so here we have to copy that, paste it, and I want to use x-flash messages. that small component I prepared before. Yeah, let's just leave it like this. I'm not gonna care now. I actually care. What the fuck? Yes. Okay, now I can't click it. Why I can't click it? It's good, but not too good. So let's try now. Good enough. I still can't click it though. Okay. Never mind. Let's just leave it as it is. Let's just change or create to like nicer message. So this is temperature logo created. Yeah. Okay, we have to get rid of that, and that's really it. Yeah. How long does it take? 47 minutes. 47 minutes for one component. Jesus, that's a lot. Okay. Need to work on that. Where the hell we have this? Where the hell we have that? Create. Okay. Much better. We actually could do those div class flex. So now they should be yep. Perfect. Okay. So the last thing will be here placeholder for this default temperature. Default temperature for the come on. Value. Oh, okay. No, I'm stupid. This is Livewire. So inside the Livewire, when we're mounting the thing, to let this temperature, and we want to mount it as 36.6. Yes. And here we can say okay. Can we change step? So input box step change step from 1 to 0.1. Okay, this is actually how Livewire is useful, because step don't want JavaScript, want JavaScript. Let's just say maximum. That will be cooking though. Actually I have 40 degrees, so that's why this video will be called coding with 40 degrees fever. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, now let's see again. Yeah, this was a mistake. Okay, can't still click it, don't know why. I'm not gonna care now, but it's working. Yep. So that was a nice, if anyone is still here at the end of this video, bro, just start coding. It's nice that you can watch other people coding, but just go and do it. I had like a video game addiction too, my friend has it, and he can't stop playing games. So yep, that would be it. I'm just gonna so that was temperature log. Git push. Okay. Yeah, that's it.